How to buy AILIVE token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following their updates about this token. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. Now, as you can see, the liquidity are locked by 100%. That means your investment in the safe place. This token, it's increased by 15,000% in the last 24 hours, as you can see. And this token, it's under Solana network. Now, the best choice to buy this kind of token that came under the Solana network, it's by using the Phantom wallet. Now, click here to copy the token address and open your Phantom wallet like that. Now, click on swap. And now make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here. And after that, paste the token address, as you can see. Now click on it. And now type here how much you want to buy. Now after that, you will be able to see how much you will receive of that token in the provider. Just select the provider that you want to buy, that you want to select, for example, OKX, and make sure you read all of that information. After that, click on swap, and you will be redirected to OKX page to be able to complete the buy process. If you face any issues, just go back to this page, click on slip pass, switch it from here or custom it, and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy AILIVE token. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.